Wrecks to riches, the ultimate adrenaline rush. Ever looked at a smashed car and saw potential? Not fear, but the chance to build something awesome? That's the lifeblood of a true gearhead. There's a thrill in taking something wrecked, forgotten, and turning it into a beast. We're talking turning heads, dropping jaws, and hearing the roar of an engine brought back to life. That's what this is all about. This ain't for the faint of heart. It's greasy, it's tough, and it demands every ounce of your know-how. But the reward, man, it's worth every busted knuckle and late night in the garage. This is about passion, grit, and the love of all things automotive. So buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the wild world of rebuilding smashed cars. Unleash your inner gearhead. Let's talk sense for a second. Salvage cars? They're budget-friendly, plain and simple. You're not paying for showroom shine, you're paying for potential. That means more cash for killer parts, custom work, and turning your vision into reality. But it's more than just saving a buck. It's about breathing life back into something left for dead. It's about learning every nut and bolt, every curve and line of your machine. You're not just a driver, you're a creator. From scrap to screaming beauty, your action plan. First things first, assess the damage. Is it a fender bender or a full-on demolition derby? Be realistic, know your limits. Next up, parts hunting. Junkyards, online forums, even your grandpa's garage can be gold mines. Get creative, get thrifty. Now, the fun part, repairs. Welding, hammering, wrenching, you name it. This is where your skills are put to the test. Patience is key, take your time. And remember, safety first. Gloves, goggles, the works. The joyride, revel in your automotive masterpiece. There's no feeling like it, turning the key and hearing that engine roar back to life. The first drive, pure adrenaline. You built this beast and now it's time to unleash it. But it's more than just a car. It's a testament to your hard work, your vision. It's a middle finger to anyone who said it couldn't be done. And that, my friends, is the ultimate reward. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, find your wreck, and let's get building.